Hello guys, how are you doing? Alright, the other time we practicalized between ChatGPT and DeepSeek to check their coding ability, the one that has better coding ability. You get. Just yesterday, Alibaba released their own AI, Qwen. It was said that Qwen outperformed other AIs, and that's what we want to practicalize now. So we want to compare DeepSeek and Qwen, because based on what they said Qwen is better than DeepSeek. Now we want to check if Qwen is actually better than DeepSeek. So we'll be making use of code. This time around we will ask both DeepSeek and Qwen to create an analog clock. Do you understand? So we'll be making use of Python code to create an analog clock. Do you understand? And we will check the one that can create it most, like can create perfectly. Do you understand? So based on that, we will now use it to judge their ability. Do you get? So I know that one is not enough, but to some extent we'll be able to judge it, which one is better. So let's go. So I already have my prompt in the clipboard, so I will just be pasting it. This is my Qwen and this is my DeepSeek. Do you get? So let me paste the code here in Qwen, and then let me paste the code here in DeepSeek. So I already have my I already have my Visual Studio Code that I will use to run the program. Now we have been able to create it using DeepSeek. This is DeepSeek. So let's copy the code and paste it here. So we are pasting it. So this is the output of DeepSeek. This is the output of this DeepSeek for analog clock. So let's check that of Qwen. Qwen is still generating the code. So, okay, let's copy the code now. So this is Qwen. So what can you say to these guys? Which one is better, the analog or the the Qwen or DeepSeek? So if you don't know, let me tell you the prompt that I inputted, that I use. So this is a prompt: create an analog work clock using Python. Let it have the millisecond and hours and also include the 1 to 12. You get? So for Qwen, it actually followed the prompts properly, but for DeepSeek it doesn't follow the prompt. This is DeepSeek, it doesn't follow the prompt. This DeepSeek. So which one do you think is better? I want your own opinion in the comment section. Thank you. I want you to like, subscribe. Do you understand? Please, and share this video. I will be dropping more content like this for you guys, educational content for you guys. Do you understand? So I want you to drop your own opinion in the comment section. Give me a subscribe, and just click the button. Just a single click in 1 second, you have subscribed. Thank you. You know, by subscribing